Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kimberly, and today I'm going to show you the auto heater press from HTVRONT brand. This is the latest product from HTVRONT. As its description is very good to use and easy to use, also convenient to use. So let's check it out. As you can see, it's a white one for a person who loves white, black and gray, so it's not difficult for me to choose a white one. The size is 15 by 15, so it won't take much space in your room. And the weight is about 17 kilograms, so it's quite easy to carry. Here are some buttons. Okay, this is power button and temperature time button. So let's turn it on. The orange setting is very hot if you like Celsius degrees, so we can non-press this button for 2 or 3 seconds and change into the Celsius system. Okay, about the time, let's press this button. If you want to increase more time, just press this button. Okay, once again, then this button, 1 second, 2 seconds. If you want to manage the time, of course, this button. Okay. Here is a pull-out drawer, and you can see here is a pipe and the heat source is there. So it's quite fabulous. It keeps the heat source away from your hand, so we don't need to worry about getting hurt for make designs. I made some designs and also prepared some t-shirts. Okay. Just 3 t-shirts. It's quite to use, so we just put the materials in the right place and get it started. Okay, that's good. So do it. When you hear the voice, boom, it's done. So turn on the button, and we will setting the power to 310, very hot. Okay, everything is okay. Let's waiting for the weather. Let's waiting for the temperature. So the weather is, so the temperature is get ready. We can press this button to get it started. Okay, 15 seconds. So we just ironing the clothes. We just iron it. Okay. Yeah. So we will lay the design on the center of this t-shirt. Yes, so the t-shirt is get ready. I made some designs, and this time I'm going to use this one. So first, I will put it on the center of the t-shirt. And then the teflon sheet. Okay. Let's hear it. Done. The temperature is ready, and the temperature is ready, so we click this button. Okay, it's counting down right now. Just waiting for 15 seconds. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. So we just waiting for some time, let it cool down. After 2 minutes, we can peel it off. Okay, so let's do it. It's very beautiful. And then here is the heart. Okay. And Teflon shade. Get it started. Also need 15 seconds. Okay. Now we try the second design. So this time I will use the blue t-shirt. Okay, so I will iron it first. Now heat salt. Just waiting for 50 seconds. This time I will use this design and we can iron it together. Look. Okay, the t-shirt is getting ready. Put it in the red place and Teflon shade. Okay, this one is finished. Very beautiful, right? And here is the first one. Of course, you can make t-shirts for your kids, for your families, and for your friends. So why not try it?